Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a tax refund from FBR. Start by confirming eligibility and collecting Form 1165, Form 17, your CNIC, bank IBAN, and supporting receipts. File an accurate refund claim through your online FBR account or submit documents to your tax office. Respond promptly to any FBR queries, and keep records of all communications to speed up processing and prevent unnecessary disputes. Collect every document required for the refund and organize them chronologically to simplify review. Verify that Form 1165 and Form 17 are filled out correctly, signed, and dated by the authorized person. Reconcile ledger entries so claimed amounts match invoices and bank transactions to prevent queries. Scan and create a clear file of each document for upload or physical submission. And note reference numbers when you file to track progress easily. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos like this. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a sharp, long-lasting scent that brightens commutes after tax paperwork. It's a fun little pick-me-up while waiting for your refund. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. File your refund claim through the FBR online portal for quicker acknowledgement and easier tracking. After submission, save the confirmation and any ticket numbers, then monitor the portal and your email for updates. If FBR requests additional documents, provide them promptly and follow up at set intervals. Maintain a concise log of dates, contacts, and responses so you can escalate if processing exceeds normal timeframes or if discrepancies arise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.